So I wanted to demo some ChatGPT that I've been playing with a little bit. First, I asked it, I have 2 table transactions and transaction type. It says, great, what do you want to do with this? And I said, I need to join them using SQL 3. And it says, okay. So it shows me the join, and it just kind of creates this. Okay, that's interesting. It says select all, which means all the columns from both, and do the join. Then I say, well, I have another table called bank account. I need to join that one too. And it says, okay, let me do that. And it shows how it does a third join. Okay. But then I come back and I say, well, wait a second. I need an alias for that table. And it says, okay, I'll add the aliases. So instead of making them select all here, or even in more detail, like select all transactions, all of it, it just adds the aliases like it does here at the front. And it's now saying select all from this table, and this table, based off of the aliases there, and here. Okay. So it's a lot cleaner. I also like how over here it's the T is based off of this table here. The aliases look a lot better there. So if I wanted to do another one, I can say I'm not sure it might have timed out, but I have another table to join called payee. And it will say, okay, let me add that too. So it'll add a 4th table called payee. Okay. This might look familiar. It is. I think it's assignment number 3 or query number 3 from assignment number 5 or 6. So anyway, super excited about ChatGPT. I feel like it can help a lot. You could say something like, can you show me what it would look like with inner joins? Just something like that. And it'll be like, yeah, sure, here's some inner joins. And it will actually show the inner joins. And then it actually explains what's going on with the inner joins, where the resulting query will only return rows where there are matches in all 4 tables being joined. Pretty cool. So it doesn't just do it, it actually explains it to you too. I would suggest going through the videos first, and then making sure you read through those pages in the book. And then as you're doing the assignment, I would try to do it on my own, and then come in here and play with it in here. You could say maybe throw your SQL code in here and say, what am I doing wrong? Why is this not working? The really cool thing about using ChatGPT is that whatever you put in here, it's going to end up formatting it exactly like I like. So when you copy and paste that into this is how I like the format to look, with all the capitalizations and things like that. So not bad formatting. And you can just obviously click the copy code and paste it into your DB browser and test it out if you like. So anyway, super excited about this. Thought I'd just share it.